What's up, YouTube? I'm Lilian from Ajking.us. Checklist my website. Okay, today we get the off-white Nike Air Vapormax in white colorway. We can check these shoes. It's a very cool design, and these shoes are almost the same as the black colorway, the black off-white Vapormax, but this letter is different. Okay, first let me show you the shoe box. The top we have some letters. To turn to this part, the outside size label, see 8.5 men's size here, and Nike Air Vapormax. Okay, to open it, check the tissue paper. First, we can check the upper, the fly knit. See, the material is very soft. Get a zip tie here, the correct zip tie. So we can see the color of the shoe is very simple, looks very clean. Okay, the central this part we have a very big Nike logo, the Air letter here. See under the tongue. See the tongue also very soft. See the laces pure white colorway. The laces letters here. The back of the tongue. Inside the insole, we have size C, 8.5 size. The heel part, Vapormax letter, support tab here. The button. We can see this pair we have a Nike logo, and another pair we have Vapormax letter. Okay. The turn to this part, we have three different laces. See, so total 4 different colorway. Okay, and turn to this part, we also have some letter of white for Nike. See, okay. And we also have off-white Nike Vapormax black color, and off-white Presto, off-white Jordan, off-white Air Force. If you like, you can order on my website ajkingru. So you can contact me, subscribe my channel. I will offer you some discount. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.